Welcome to Echospeak English. Today, we're talking about ordering food at a restaurant. So, tell me, are you hungry? I really hope so, because today we're going to learn exactly how to order a fantastic meal all in English. Let's get started. All right, first things first. Before we can build sentences, we need the right building blocks. Let's go over some of the most important words you'll hear and use in a restaurant. Okay, let's practice these together. Just repeat each word right after me. Ready? First one, menu. Next up, waiter. Or if it's a woman, waitress. Now the action word, order. And finally, table. Great job! You've got the basics down already. And now for the good stuff. Let's do the same thing. Repeat after me. Food, drink, water, juice. See? Simple. You're doing great. And here are a couple of really important words for when you're finishing up. First one is bill. Now, a little tip for you. In the United States, you'll often hear the word check. They mean the exact same thing. And the last one, a word I hope you get to use all the time, delicious. Fantastic! Now we have our vocabulary ready to go. Okay, so we've got the words. Now let's put them into action and build some really useful sentences you can start using right away. So you sit down at your table. This is the first thing you'll probably say. And notice that magic word, please. It makes everything sound so much friendlier. Let's say it together. Hello, can I have the menu, please? Perfect. All right, you've looked at the menu and you're ready. This is how you let the waiter know. I'd like is a really nice, polite way to say what you want. Let's practice it. I'd like to order food. Excellent. Now, let's get specific. You just swap out the word food for whatever you want to eat. Let's try this one. I'd like chicken and rice, please. You can already see how easy it is to change this for any dish, right? Feeling thirsty? This is a super simple way to ask for a drink. Let's say it. Can I have some water? You could also say, I'd like some water, please. Both are perfect. It's good to have options. And hey, look at that. We're using that I'd like structure again. It's so useful. Let's try it for a different drink. I'd like orange juice. See how that works? You just swap in what you want. Now, this is a wonderful phrase to know. If you're really enjoying your meal, it's always so nice to say so. Let's say it with a bit of feeling. Ready? The food is delicious. They'll be so happy to hear that in the kitchen. Okay, you've had a wonderful meal and it's time to go. This is the phrase you'll need. Repeat after me. Can I have the bill, please? Simple, polite, and gets the job done. And finally, as you're leaving, this is the perfect thing to say. It's just a nice, polite way to end your visit. Let's practice. Thank you very much. Politeness is always a good idea. All right, let's put this all together now. We're going to listen to a quick conversation. This is how all those words and phrases we just learned sound in a real, natural dialogue. Okay, so you walk in and you'd say, hello, can I have the menu, please? The waiter would reply with something like, sure, here you are. Then you'd say, thank you, I'd like chicken and rice. And the waiter might ask, would you like a drink? Your reply is simple, yes, orange juice, please. And the waiter will probably check. Okay. Anything else? No, thank you. And then, the best part, the waiter returns and says, here's your food. And you can finish up with a nice compliment. Thank you, it looks delicious. The waiter will likely say, enjoy your meal. See, the whole conversation is just made up of the simple, polite phrases we've just practiced. It flows so easily. Okay, this is where it gets really fun. Now we're going to make these phrases truly yours. So, let's go back to that sentence. I'd like chicken and rice. But what if you don't want chicken and rice? What's your favorite food? Pizza? Steak? Pasta? Take a second and say it out loud right now. I'd like, go on. Awesome. That's how you really start to speak a language, by making it about you. And just like that, you now have the tools you need to walk into a restaurant and order a meal in English. The most important thing now is to practice. So go out there and give it a try. For more lessons like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel to receive all new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.